Yeah. Welcome to the crew. We're bringing you the latest and the best to do. Stories, news, and updates galore. We're glad you're here, and we're asking for more. Thanks for all the love and support too. We're making moves and we're seeing it through. Chayamaka, Gozi, and Charmer in the house. We're bringing the fire and we're wearing the crown. We're on the rise with the community vibe. We're shining bright and we're feeling alive. Thanks for the support, it means the world to us. We're gonna keep on going with the love and the fun. Don't forget to support us as we share the way. We're on a mission to bring the best each day. With every step, with every beat, we're gonna make some noise, and we're gonna make it sweet.